Hello and welcome to this session. And here we'll talk about level of details. One more example, which is cohort analysis. Now let's try to understand this. But before that, if you want more tips and tricks, you can very well subscribe to the channel and also click bell icon for regular updates. So now first of all, try to understand what is cohort analysis. For example, let's say my business is running for last 4 years. Can I say that, let's say my business started in 2016 and 2016 is the first year of my business. So any customer who is coming for the first time in year 2016 will be considered as a customer of year 2016. Let's say we are now into the second year of the business, 2017. Now those customers who are coming for the first time in my store will considered as a customer of 2017 because he is coming for the first time. However, if someone who is coming for the second time who already came in the year 2016, coming again in 2017, then I will say that he is from 2016 year. That means 2016 customers who came first time in 2016 will be a 2016 customer cohort. Similarly, 2017 customer who came for the very first time in 2017 will considered as a again the customer of 2017 cohort. Similarly, for 18, if any customer coming for the first time in my retail store, then it will considered as a 2018 customer, and it will not consider as 17 or 16 customer because he is coming for the very first time. Now, what we want to know is, let's say some customer coming in 2016, whether he came in 2017 or not. If yes, how much contribution on the sales they have made. Same in 2018, whether 16 customer and 17 customers coming in or not, and if yes, then what is the contribution there, and so on. So basically that is what my task is. But before that, we have to understand how we can proceed with it. For that, obviously we want to find the minimum order date of a customer. For example, I am a customer, and what is the first time I came in that retail store. So the first time when I'm coming in the retail store will consider it as a minimum order date or my first order date. First time I'm purchasing the product. So let's try to understand this in Tableau and see how it actually works. So here is the data set which we have, sample superstore data. First of all, what I will do is I'll create a calculated field. What I am interested will create a calculated field. What I am interested in. I am interested in finding the minimum order date of a customer. So first of all, I'll create a chart which will have customer name. I'll have this order date as well and make this as exact date. Also, I'll make this as discrete as well so that all the dates will come properly and you guys will be able to understand what all different dates are there. For Aaron Bergman, you see that we have 3 dates. That means he came to my store 3 times. And the minimum order date which we have is 18 February 2016. So my requirement is to find out the minimum order date of a customer. For Aaron Bergman, this is 18/2. Aaron Hawkins, 22/04/2016, and so on. So to find that, we have to create a calculated field, which will consist of what I'm looking for, minimum order date of a customer. That means I want to fix my customer and I have to find the minimum order date. I click OK and drag this value out here and convert this to again exact date, and then I'll make it as discrete as well. You can see that I'm getting 18/2, 18/2 and 18/2. That means I'm fixing the customer name and finding the minimum order date, that is nothing but 18/2/2016 for Aaron Bergman. For Aaron Hawkins, it is 22/04/2016. So you see that that is what we are getting here beautifully. Now, if I remove this order date, I can very well say that yes, this is the minimum order date of the customers, right? So I can very well say that this 16, 16, 16, all these 16 are actually the customer came in my store very first time in year 2016 and so on. So this is what the logic is, and now using this field which we have created, minimum order date, we'll try to solve that problem. So we create a chart where we will have order date and I'll have the sales value. And let me convert this to a bar chart, make it as entire view. And now what I want is I want to put the color in a way that it will divide the data into year contribution by customers. For example, let's say I have this minimum order date. If I put this minimum order date in the color, you can see that you are getting a beautiful chart which is actually helping us understand that in year 2016, obviously all the customer will belong to 16 only, because 16 was the very first year for my business. So all the customer were coming in year 2016 actually are the new customers, and obviously are the customers for 16 only. There is no previous years, there is no 15 in my data, there is no 14 in my data, because I don't have business at that point in time. So all this contribution will be coming from the new customers that are coming in 2016. However, if you go to next year, I have two values, 16 and 17, where this blue, 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 and blue, these blues are nothing but 2016 value. This oranges are nothing but 2017 value. Red one is 18, and this green one is 19. So this is helping us understand that what is the total contribution. Let me do some formatting here and try to understand further in detail. I'm converting this value to the blues, and then I can maybe do some borders, add the sales value again. So I'll just drag the sales here. And now from here, I will be able to understand that yes, in 2016, 4,84,247 is the sales amount for those customers. In 2017, this is the part which is the 2016 contribution. That means customer were coming for second time, I would say, or maybe already a customer in 2016 coming again on in the year 17 as well. So it is, again, I can say it's a 2016 customer contributing around 3,65,144 out of this total sales. 2017 customer contributing 1,05,388, and so on. I can also change the tooltip here. Let's say I can say in this year, this year cohort had a sales of this sum value. Let's try to see what we are getting here. So if we hover here, in 2017, the 2016 cohort had a sales of 365,144, right? That is what we are showing here. So that is how we can create this beautiful chart, helping us understand that what is the contribution over the period of time. And now I can have this as a percentage as well. I'll just duplicate this chart. And here I'll just change this value to percentage of total. And I'll change this to, I want the percentage by minimum order date. Also, I will apply here as well, percentage of total, and I will make this compute using minimum order date. And now from here, you can very well see that in 2016, the total contribution is 100%. Obviously, the customers who are coming in 16 are the new customers for me, and those are the only customers for me. So 100% contribution is there. In 17, I have customer from 16 as well and 17 as well. So 16 customers, the cohort is actually contributing 77.60% on the total sales. 22.40% is the contribution coming from 2017 customer. Similarly, here in 18, I have 74.67% contribution from 2016 customer, 16.33% contribution from 2017 customer, and 9% contribution from 2018 customer, that is the current year customer. Similarly, here also you can see the values. So that is how it is helping us to understand about the customer loyalty and a lot of other details as well. Hope this makes sense. We'll see you again in the next module. Till then, happy analyzing.